Gamers, tech enthusiasts, buckle up. ASUS Republic of Gamers just dropped the date for the next big thing in mobile gaming. The ROG Phone 9 series coming November 19th. But wait until you hear what this beast of a phone can do. It's about to raise the stakes for mobile gaming everywhere. So, ASUS has been on a roll with its Republic of Gamers phones, and each generation has brought something new to the table. But with the ROG Phone 9, they're promising a whole new level of power and graphics capability. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a declaration that ASUS is serious about making the ultimate gaming phone. And the ROG Phone 9, it's coming loaded with the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform. Yep, that means the second generation Qualcomm Orion CPU paired with an upgraded Adreno GPU. So imagine the power that's about to fit right in your pocket. Now, let's talk about the display. Rumor has it, the ROG Phone 9 Pro will come with a refresh rate of, wait for it, 185 Hz. That's faster than any phone available globally. For context, most flagship phones run at 120 Hz, and the new iPhones, they're still chilling at 60 Hz. So, if you've ever felt like your screen wasn't keeping up with your gaming reflexes, ASUS has you covered. And hey, if 185 Hz sounds a bit like overkill, just remember, this is the kind of overkill we love in the gaming world. Have you ever used a high refresh rate screen? If not, trust me, it's one of those things you don't know you need until you try it. Imagine smoother graphics, less motion blur, and that sweet buttery motion. But it's not all about speed. Keeping a phone cool with that much power is a real challenge. ASUS apparently has put some serious effort into the heat dissipation system. I mean, a phone that powerful could double as a hand warmer in winter if it didn't have this next level cooling tech. Now, if you're as curious as I am, ASUS is giving us a sneak peek of this powerhouse at the Snapdragon Summit 2024, where attendees will get to see this gaming machine up close. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to see a demo of a phone that practically runs on rocket fuel? So, to recap, on November 19th, we're getting a phone with one of the fastest CPUs, a record-breaking 185 Hz display, and a heat management system that's sure to keep those thumbs cool under pressure. It's no surprise that ASUS ROG is building quite the fan base among serious gamers. So, if you're a gamer or a tech lover, you won't want to miss this launch. Hit that subscribe button if you want more updates on the ROG Phone 9, because there's plenty more to come. And drop a comment below. What feature are you most excited about? Is it the display, the performance, or maybe that new cooling system? All right, that's all for today. Stay tuned, game on, and let's gear up for November 19th. When the ROG Phone 9 finally drops, trust me, this phone is going to be everywhere in the gaming world. Catch you in the next one. Peace.